Welcome to our channel, where we dive deep into the world of forestry machinery. Their power and performance are sure to leave you amazed. It's time to begin. The large woodcutter is capable of cutting large logs into precise and quick segments. This helps reduce cutting time, thereby increasing work efficiency and completing a large volume of work in a shorter time. The Morbark 40/36 drum is a powerful machine designed for wood processing with outstanding performance. It easily crushes large logs thanks to its strong cutting blades and stable operation. Its fast and efficient processing helps reduce work time and cut down on operating costs. With its durable design and advanced technology, the Morbark 40/36 drum is the perfect tool for large-scale logging projects. The Newson Ecotech 242 HVT and LogMax 5000 are an effective pair in logging. The Newson Ecotech 242 HVT is powerful and versatile, cutting wood quickly and saving fuel. The LogMax 5000 uses modern technology, so it can cut wood precisely and optimize productivity. Together, they bring high efficiency, reducing costs, and working time in the forest. Compact design and powerful performance. Equipped with an AGCO Power 4.4 AWF engine, this tractor meets all the demanding work requirements. Not only powerful, the A1124 also stands out with impressive flexibility and operability. This is a perfect example of the beauty in work, shown through carefulness, persistence, physical strength, and attention to detail. It's these qualities that allow the worker to tackle even the toughest logs. This is the Willapa Dua Wova WD 200SL 240SLM chainsaw. The machine is equipped with two saw blade shafts, each with multiple circular saw blades, which allows for simultaneous cutting of a wood workpiece into multiple sections. This helps to speed up processing and improve work efficiency significantly. The distance between the saw blades can be customized easily, providing high precision in each slice. Thanks to its advanced design and flexible adjustments, the machine minimizes material waste, optimizes the sawing process, and saves time. When cutting down large trees, making preliminary cuts around the trunk helps create a guiding path and control the tree's falling direction. The worker applied this technique to avoid the risk of the tree falling into hazardous areas. This is an essential step to ensure the safety of both the operator and the surrounding environment when handling large trees. This machine is built to handle all types of tree trunks, effortlessly cutting even the largest and hardest wood blocks. Equipped with high-speed, perfectly sharpened drill bits, the machine can penetrate even the toughest wood trunks without any difficulty. The machine's standout feature is its perfect combination of modern technology, durable power, and absolute precision, meeting even the most demanding requirements. The skidder with large tracked wheels easily navigates the muddy path, demonstrating its superior performance in difficult conditions. Skilled driving is crucial, ensuring stable and safe control of the tractor while avoiding the risk of getting stuck. The self-designed chainsaw is a testament to creativity and practical applicability. Although the design is simple with the bed frame, motor, and saw blade, it is extremely efficient. The smoothness in the movement and the precision in each cut show the ingenuity in the design. Wood chippers are a modern solution that optimizes wood processing quickly and efficiently. With just a simple movement of placing the log inside, the entire processing process will be taken care of by the machine automatically. The sharp cutter system and powerful motor make it easy for the machine to chop logs into wood humus without any additional manual intervention. Wood chipper not only saves time, but also greatly reduces labor. The MS661 SE chainsaw is one of the outstanding chainsaws, highly appreciated for its performance and durability, especially in high-intensity jobs such as professional logging. Its cutting blade is precise, producing smooth cuts. The process of logging and transporting wood really shows how important the excavator is. With its ability to lift, arrange, and move logs quickly, it really helps boost productivity and cut down on labor. It's definitely an essential tool in modern forestry. The high grip wheel system and anti-slip chains make the TT4 truck an ideal choice for working in snowy environments. The car is equipped with a powerful engine and heating system inside the cabin, which helps the driver maintain comfort in extreme weather conditions. This machine showcases remarkable skill in picking and stacking logs. Equipped with an accurate control system and a versatile gripping mechanism, it efficiently manages large logs with speed and safety. This machine shows its superior ability when it easily splits large logs into many pieces at a fast speed. Equipped with sharp and powerful drill bits, it can cut through hard wood without difficulty. Cutting down a sloping tree is not simply a matter of using saws and force. It requires an accurate calculation of the direction of fall, impact force, and structural characteristics of the tree. An in-depth understanding of the bearing mechanism of stems, roots, and environmental impacts such as wind or terrain slope is a decisive factor to ensure safety. Without meticulous planning, the risk of accidents to people and property damage is very high. This is a testament to the fact that technique and experience always need to go hand in hand in fieldwork. The harsh environment is a test for these men and machines, forcing them to anticipate the worst. Situations like this are an opportunity to witness the smooth coordination between machines. This log truck shows that size does not necessarily mean off-road capability. This can be the result of misjudging the terrain or not anticipating the challenges of a rugged area. This situation highlights the importance of careful planning and using the right vehicle. The Scania truck and the steering semi-trailer work together to pick up the logs and load them onto the railway wagons with precision and speed. The incredible working speed shows the power, speed, and flexibility, saving a lot of time and effort. Although the sawmill is quite old, under the hands of skilled workers, it can still handle large logs with ease. This suggests that, sometimes, the quality of work depends not only on modern tools, but also on human skills and experience. Workers with a deep understanding of equipment and materials always know how to optimize performance. This veteran woodcutter with decades of experience is facing a challenge: cutting down an ancient banyan tree that has stood firm for centuries. His saw is decisive, powerful, and also very careful. It is not just muscle power, but also the perfect combination of technique and extensive experience accumulated over the years. Just one small mistake can disrupt the whole process, even causing great consequences. It is the smooth combination of strength, technique, and patience that turns this seemingly heavy work into a skillful performance. This machine processes all types of tree trunks with outstanding precision, cutting wood into sections with ease and speed. With its sharp, high-speed drill system, it performs effectively even on the toughest woods, ensuring seamless operation without obstacles. Its key strengths lie in its durability and stable performance, boosting efficiency and productivity for every task. This requires the motor to operate at full power to maintain balance. From the precision of operation to the coordination between humans and machines, it is all about success on this arduous road. Only those who are experienced and brave enough can conquer a harsh road like this. This wood tractor has outstanding power, easily overcoming rough, steep, or muddy terrain. The powerful engine combined with large wheels helps it conquer all challenges. However, the power of the tractor sometimes reduces traction, especially on soft or slippery terrain, requiring the driver to concentrate and skillfully control to keep the vehicle stable. The Hamel Red Giant 950 is capable of handling heavy materials such as wood, metal, or even construction waste with ease and speed. With a powerful and durable cutting system made of super hard steel, the machine can crush large materials into smaller sizes, optimizing the processing and recycling process without wearing out quickly. For the exploitation of old trees with heavy weight and complex structure, it is always necessary to calculate the correct direction of fall to avoid causing accidents. The man has calculated the correct direction of fall to adjust to reduce the strong impact force, avoid cracking or damaging the wood trunk, thereby optimizing the use value of the tree. When the tree falls in the intended direction, his collection is more convenient, saving time and effort. The Komatsu 855 demonstrates impressive performance in mud wading and carrying large loads of logs. Its strength and sturdy design help it overcome difficult terrain and transport large logs with ease. It is an efficient tool, saving time and effort in the work of transporting logs. Log Ripper X09 owns a powerful 900mm tungsten cutting blade. The blade is made from ultra-durable tungsten, up to 900mm in diameter, making it easy to cut through hardwoods, including those up to 370mm in diameter. It is also designed to be easily installed on an excavator, making it a versatile and powerful wood-cutting tool that is ready to meet any job requirement from logging to material handling. The T40 tractor proves the versatility of tractors in the field. With its power and rugged design, this T40, even though it is 60 years old, still does a good job of handling tree stumps. This shows that, when combined with the right accessories and operated by a skilled worker, the tractor can go far beyond its basic capabilities. To cut down large trees, the quality of the machine and the operator's experience are the two most important factors. The sharp drill bit quickly and accurately cuts the rough wood into small pieces. This process demonstrates the superior efficiency of modern equipment. The powerful drilling force allows it to drill through even the densest and hardest wood with ease. The wood, regardless of its size or hardness, is cut into small pieces instantly. The combination of unrelenting power and outstanding precision makes this tool an amazing modern engineering achievement. This elderly woman's ability to fell a large tree demonstrates her skill and solid experience. It is a testament to her knowledge of working with a chainsaw and her understanding of safe work procedures.